So when you tell me you got a black friend, it means nothing because you never, ever understood friendship. So miss me with that bullshit. We've been fighting for our voices to be heard. We've been fighting to be seen as equal in this world. We've been fighting to end years of colonialism, and despite this, you still own the means of production and you don't give a damn. You trample upon to get it as long as you maintain your profit margin while marginalizing all of those who have melanin. So yeah, when you belch, all I smell is the pungent odor of your racist behavior. You call me a nigger, but get vexed when I call you a racist and say we're revolting your race because your racism is too much to bear, so we bear fists because your race is just an ism when we begin to march.